recently I put out a little poll on the Instagrams on what kind of videos you guys wanted to watch, and y'all were like, let's do some more cooking videos. So, since I enjoy them so much, I'm going to challenge myself with every meal I cook. Today, we're making chicken noodle soup from scratch. And I have a lot of ingredients here. I saw a video on YouTube on how to make it, and it seemed legit and it looked delicious. So I'm gonna try and, you know, get as close to that as I can. Without further ado, let's get started. How to make stock. Got carrots, celery, good. Leeks. They're not leaking though. Interesting name. Ooh. Parsnip. Kind of like a unicorn. Turnip. White onion. Scallion. Green onion. Same thing. Sure. Parsley. Garlic. Lemongrass. They didn't have lemongrass. So I figured I could just put a little lemon juice in there and it would be the same thing. We'll figure it out. Also got some dill and some thyme. I got all the time. Stupid joke. Peppercorns, chicken thighs, and drumsticks. Making chicken noodle soup, so here we go. We got some vegetables that we're gonna cut up. We're gonna make the broth right now. So we've got carrots and celery and leeks and turnips and parsnips and garlic and onion, and we're gonna put that all in a pot in a little bit, but first we got to get the chicken going. What I've done was, I'll show you, I de-skinned some of the chicken breasts. If you can't find skinless, boneless chicken breasts, just find regular chicken breasts and use that, and you can take the skin off yourself. And so now I'm gonna put that in the thing where the heat's up, the pan, and yeah. This is kind of difficult. So you want your pot to be on high, and then you're gonna do a little oil, and then quickly put the chicken in there, or else you're gonna burn your oil, and that's not good. Chicken is in there. You want to brown that on each side. Yeah. We're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it'll work out. I'm supposed to do something else. Hold on. I think I need to transfer this to a bigger pot. This pot's not going to be big enough. Alright, that was exciting. Went from that pot to this pot. Much more room. Now I got to do something with these veggies. I think they got to go into there with some water. Chicken noodle soup. Not so easy. Alright, so I guess I'm just supposed to add the vegetables in now. Okay, so add all of your veggies in here. I think you called them aromatics. So I gotta put this down to medium. It's just all going in. Garlic, onions, leeks, parsnips, celery, carrots. Just all goes in there. Oh, you said parsley and dill? Dill? Thyme. 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 Parsley, peppercorns, but no salt. I think I'm missing water. How did I miss water? The struggle is real. Ah, it's hot! This is interesting. This is fun. This is an experiment. So we're gonna let this get to a bare boil, small boil of some kind, and we'll see what happens. I just realized the stock is going to take 4 hours to cook, and it's currently 5:35. Should have started this so much earlier. While I'm waiting for it to cook, I'm going to cut up my vegetables for the soup. So I'm just dicing up my carrots real small. Gonna do the same thing with the celery. and then with some onion, and then I'm gonna finally roughly chop up some parsley and some green onion as well, and then we'll be good to go. Well, after further review of the video I was watching to learn how to make chicken noodle soup, I completely messed up. I added the chicken thighs way too early and forgot to take the bone out of them. So, yeah, I think I was able to save it. I took the chicken thighs out of the pot, deboned them. I'm gonna set the chicken aside, put it in the fridge until I'm ready to make the soup, and then I'll use that chicken meat for the soup. Crisis averted. Using the old noggin. Check out that broth. It smells delicious. It's about time to pour it in the strainer and get all that yummy, yummy juice. Don't forget to wear some kind of gloves, because this pot gonna be hot. Alright, I hope this all fits into this other pot. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit to just, you know, drain. And while we're doing that, we're gonna get the soup going. The onions in. Fizzle's a good sound. You're just gonna get these, get them a little sweaty, as they say. We're gonna get them sweaty, alright? Cook the onions until they're soft, and then we're gonna add the carrots and celery, because we want them to be a little bit more like structured as far as, you know, crunchiness. Does that make sense? That was weird. I like making chicken soup because it's like that season, you know, like cold and flu season's coming up, and I don't know. Sawyer brought home something the other day from school, and already first weekend. Now it's kind of making its way through the house. So no COVID though. We're all clear with that. So that's the good news. The bad news is we all have little colds, but we're fine. All right, now's a good time. It's been about 10 minutes or so, 5, 10. Ow! Ow! That's hot! Don't touch the pan directly. Now's a good time to add your carrots and celery. Next, we're gonna add the chicken broth. Chicken broth is gonna go into the pot. Success. Yes, success. Bring this to a boil. And then there'll be more things to come. Just hold on. Don't go away yet. Next up, we're gonna chop up some parsley, roughly. Get that in there early. That should be enough. Put that into there. Next, you want to grate some ginger into the bowl. Think that's enough? Sure, why not? After that, it's supposed to be lemongrass. I don't have lemongrass, so I'm gonna zest a lemon. That smells real good. I think that's good. I did like that much of a full lemon. Sure, why not? Need to get this to a rolling boil. We're getting there. So far, so good. Yum yum dinner. Hello. Hi, still with me? Wonderful. I took the chicken thighs out, like I told you guys earlier, and I'm gonna shred those, and then I'm gonna put them back into the soup. Chicken shredded, just put it back in the pot, the boiling pot. That's it. Next step, chop up some dill, put that in there, and then dice up, or mince up, dice up, whatever, some green onion / scallions, and put that in there, and then you should be good to go. You don't want the green onions to go too long, but yeah, the dill, green onions, good to go. Okay, last step. I really hope I don't mess this up, but the chicken soup is now ready to go. No noodles yet. I just added some salt for the seasoning. Just do the salt last. And then transfer your portion into a smaller pot. And then you put the things, the noodle. What are the egg noodle? I'm so tired. You put the egg noodle. Guys, I'm struggling so hard right now. These go into the pot with the soup at the end, so you don't have soggy noodles left over, and you have all this wonderful, wonderful soup that doesn't go to waste with soggy noodles. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in a bowl. So hold on, 1 second. Don't go anywhere yet. It's the final moment. Here's Sicky Poo. I made the soup for Sicky Poo. She was not feeling well. She had to go to the dentist today. She's having a bad, rough day. So I said, you know what? I'm going to make you some chicken noodle soup. How is the broth?
It's really good.
Soup is yummy.
Really, really good.
Amazing.
Lots of flavor.
Chicken noodle soup a la the Lindy pack. Man. So close. Whoa, wrong way. Guys, that was fun. That was a journey. That was stressful. That was interesting. It was an adventure, and I loved every second of it. The soup down here. The soup is fantastic. It turned out really good. Let me look at this. Look at that spoonful. It's probably gonna burn my mouth off. Oh my god. That is so good. Oh, who's coming over for chicken soup? Hit me up. Come on. This is delicious. Nailed it. I can't believe that. I can't believe how good it tastes after the fiasco was cooking it. That is incredible.
Glad it turned out.
Alright. Good times, you guys. I'm gonna go to bed. I gotta be up at 5 a.m. again. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Get in the kitchen and get cooking. And we'll talk to you guys later. Alright. Bye-bye.